For today, at joburgbraai, I'm going to make us a heartwarming chicken liver starter. Come and join me and let me show you step by step how it's been done. I just want to say thank you to my great friend Egberg Harmse from Cargo Kills, who built me this nice apron. Take 200 grams of back bacon and slice them up into small pieces. The bacon will make the liver soft and juicy. Add the sliced up bacon to your skillet. Take one medium-sized onion and finely chop the onion up. Add the chopped up onions to your skillet. Take half a medium-sized green pepper and finely chop it up. Remember to clean the green pepper with your carving knife. Add the chopped up green pepper to your skillet. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add the olive oil to your skillet. Take your all-purpose spice, which consists of salt, black pepper, lemon pepper and herbs, to the skillet as per taste. Stir the ingredients in the skillet. Get your braai up to 200 degrees Celsius of heat and add the skillet to the braai. Stir the ingredients in the skillet and close the braai lid. Take 500 grams of chicken livers and chop them up into bite sizes. Add the chopped up chicken livers into a bowl. Take your cast iron casserole and add 500 milliliters of fresh cream to the casserole. Add 1 teaspoon of mild curry paste to the casserole. Add 1 tablespoon of mild peri-peri sauce to the casserole as well. You can use hotter sauces to taste. Stir the ingredients in the skillet every 5 minutes till cooked. Remove the skillet ingredients from the braai when cooked. This took me 10 minutes to cook. Add the skillet back to the braai. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the skillet and add the chicken livers to the skillet. Stir the chicken livers in the skillet to mix with the olive oil. Stir the chicken livers every 2 minutes till cooked. Add the onion mix back to the skillet with the livers and stir very well to mix. The chicken livers took me 15 minutes to cook. When ready, remove the skillet from your braai and add your casserole to the braai. Stir the ingredients in the casserole till mixed. After the casserole is on the braai for 5 minutes, add the skillet ingredients into the casserole and stir till mixed. Take the ciabatta loaf of bread and cut the ciabatta loaf into pieces. Spread butter on both sides of the ciabatta bread slices. Stir the casserole every 3 minutes till the dish is nice and warm. Add the ciabatta bread slices 5 minutes before you serve to toast. Toast on both sides. Remove the bread slices when ready. The chicken livers took me 35 minutes to cook. Scoop the chicken livers into a bowl and serve with the toasted bread. Another starter, done and dusted. Thank you for watching. Seeing you next time.